YouTube sent me a package. Let me just have a moment. Hey, it's me Tiani and welcome back to my channel. So yes, you heard correct, YouTube sent me a package and let's unbox it right now. So you're probably wondering, like, Tiana, how did you get this package? Well, let me tell you the journey. It goes back to December 2023, which was last year. So that's where my journey started. I was watching YouTube, of course, and I saw one of my favorite creators, Kaale, sharing about this program, and I was like, bro, I need to check what it's all about. I went online and saw that you needed 500 subscribers. So me, the Lulu, I had 400. I still applied. And by the time I think that they actually accepted participants, I had 500 subscribers. So winning. So I got accepted in the program. It was called YouTube Made For You. So it was from December to February, where we got weekly classes which would help creators on creating content, obviously. So that was great. I graduated, and because I was in every class, I received support from YouTube, which was via a YouTube partner manager. So because of that, I got emails on a weekly basis, just sharing like what's new, what's trending on YouTube and any other programs. So in August, I got an email for YouTube Champs program. So I was like, of course I'm going to apply. So I filled out the form, and then I got an email to say that I've been accepted. So it was a 3-week program. All I needed to do was just post shorts, and I did that. There were different categories, rising stars and other things I can't remember right now, but I was part of the rising stars section, the category. And then one of the weeks, your girl was top 6. Like I literally went into the email thinking like, what's the point that I'm gonna go look for my name and I'm gonna be right at the bottom? But I wasn't. I'm looking at the bottom like, I don't see my name, I don't see my name. I'm by 100, I don't see my name. 50, I don't see my name. I was top 6. Thank you, thank you. So I wasn't the top 3, you know, but that was where you would win the prizes, obviously, for the different categories. But I mean, top 6 for one of the weeks. That was great. And because I participated, that is how I got this package, the swag bag, you know. So that was exciting. And yeah, then I'm just thinking now that even just being part of the YouTube Made For You program, I really received the support from YouTube by getting these weekly emails to update me on things like where I can work on, what is trending on YouTube, because YouTube is different to other social media platforms. Also, they really care about us as creators, you know. So if you're on YouTube, you're new to YouTube, like, don't feel discouraged if your subscribers are low, your views are low. I'm telling you, just be consistent and it's gonna come. It's gonna come. I remember having 500 and now I have like 1,800 within a year. And that's me being a bit consistent, you know. But I feel like I've really been more consistent now since August to December. So I'm super excited for 2025 to see my journey as a YouTuber and how it's gonna grow. Like, I'm actually investing into my journey. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you knew, what would you like to see, if there's any questions you have for me as a YouTube creator. And yeah, like, I'm so happy, guys, honestly, because it's like YouTube sees me like, you know, that certificate of participation. This is it, the certificate of participation. And just the end of my year of YouTube, I received that. So having a moment, and I'm just thankful. It's small, but it's not small, man. Like, YouTube sent me a package, like. So yeah, I just thought I would share that with you guys. And you know what to do already. You know, you need to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can see when I do post more videos. And that is it from me, Tiana Lee. And yeah, thank you for watching.